Chef Peter's back, and we're, guess what? Making a pizza today. Part 2 is build the pizza. So we've already got our dough. You need to watch the video that talks about making the dough. And in this particular case, I've used rosemary in our dough, and it's beautiful flour. It's just beautiful pie. So the first thing I do when I've got them in the pan like this, the very first thing before I do anything else, is I get some extra virgin olive oil and I brush it all over. So I just get it on there. Look at the beautiful color of the olive oil, everybody. Okay, and then I brush it all over. Just brush it along the sides, brush it on the dough all the way around. Just get it on the bottom. It makes for a nice beginning on the dough. Now somebody's gonna say, didn't you put olive oil in the dough? Yes, I did. I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the dough. But this helps to make a nice, tasty pizza. For those of you that have never done it, give it a try, okay? So there we go. Now we've got our olive oil there. We don't have to do anything else except go with our next ingredients. All right. What I have here is I've made some beautiful marinara sauce. It has garlic, it has oregano, it has Italian seasoning, it has a little salt, a little pepper, and what we're gonna do is just get this on our pizza just like this so we can get our base going. And you see, I use a ladle. You can use a spoon, you can even use your hand if you're short on anything, but you know, this is beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Put as much or as little as you like. We like sauce in our house. If you don't like so much sauce, don't put it. Put less. But we like sauce. We like our pizza saucy, so to speak. Okay? So there we go. And you just get it so it's on the outside edge, all the way to the outside edge. And you don't have to be perfect. It's not about being perfect. It's about having fun and making beautiful things for your family. Okay? All right. So now we've got our sauce, our marinara sauce. And next up what I'm going to do is go with cheese. We need mozzarella cheese. So I use part skim. You don't have to use part skim. You can use whatever you like. Regular, full milk. I use part skim. And it does cut down a little bit on your calories, right? And your fat calories. But don't worry about it. We're enjoying life. Eat out, but eat home. Eat home. Don't eat out.
Save money.
Save money. You know, we're not in a depression, but if you learn how to cook that way, believe me, cut up your meat, watch my videos. We have, Anthony and I have plenty of videos on how to cut chicken, how to cut stew meat, buy a piece of meat and do that. So we have a lot of information on our site. So you might want to go and look at our playlist and watch things and learn. And if you have any questions, you're always more than welcome to send a beautiful comment and I will reply as I do every time. Okay, so here we go. We've got our sauce on there. We've got our cheese on there. Now let's put some more things on there. Okay, how about we put some mushrooms? Okay, I've got mushrooms here. And I'm going to just squeeze some of this out. I forgot to drain them, but that's okay. All right, let's get some of these mushrooms. These are wild mushrooms I had, and they're wild.
Wild mushrooms.
Beautiful chanterelles and different ones. Okay, we'll just get some of them on there. There we go. Okay.
Because they create some good flavor.
And this is going to be delicious, everybody. All right, so there we go. We've got that going. And now what I'm going to do is put some, I have some of these. These are artichoke hearts. So let's put some artichoke hearts on here like this. Cut them up smaller so everybody gets a bite, you know. Everybody needs to get a bite on their pizza cut, you know, on their little cutter pizza, right? Okay, so let's make sure. And you move them around. See, like I do, just move them around. It's okay. There we go. Okay. Make sure every little piece, every little area here gets some of this beautiful, beautiful
Beautiful, beautiful.
And then I have some of these. Now these are roasted red peppers. Look at this. Oh my God, now we're getting colorful here. We got green, we got roasted red peppers. Just move them around.
Let the color begin.
Yeah, let our colors begin. So we got green, we got red. Okay, alrighty. Green and red, green and red. What is that? Italian colors, right, Anthony?
Red, green, and white.
And then finally, I've got some of these. Now these, I cut them in half. This is a Kalamata olive. You could use black olives if you don't like Kalamatas, right? Or don't put any olives at all. Build it the way you like, okay? Now, finally, you're gonna say, what is he making, this vegetarian? I said, no, I'm not. Here I have in the pan, I have cooked off a couple of Italian sausage links. So this is Italian sausage. And what I'm gonna do is take this, use your hands like I'm doing, and I'm gonna just get it right on top of our pizza, just like this. And I've added to this Italian sausage about 2 teaspoons of fennel seed, because we like the fennel taste.
Oh,
and,
God.
And what? Oh, isn't that something, Anthony? And what it's going to do is just take it to the next level. All right. So one more thing I'm going to do.
Because Pete never makes it the same way twice.
I actually don't make the pizza the same way twice.
So that's why you can watch these videos, and even though there might be several of them, he always does different ingredients. That's where the change is.
Okay, so now what I've done, everybody, is behind me, over here, I have our little Breville oven. I've turned on the pizza so that it can heat up at 450. And the last thing I'm going to do here with our pizza is it has enough cheese, it's got enough sauce, it's got our meat, we have sausage, oregano. Okay, oregano is the last thing you put. Just take your fingers, go right in, and just go right across the top, just like this. Really easy, and try not to miss a place or two. There we go. There we go. We got it. Okay, so there we have it. Next up, I'm gonna put this in the oven when it's preheated to 450. We're gonna cook it off, and next you see me, we're gonna take it out of the oven, put it on this board, and cut the puppy up because I can't wait to eat it. Can you wait, Anthony?
Yeah, I'm excited about it.
So there we have it. This is Chef Pete from Carpizzo's Kitchen of Heal, Eat, and Teach. We love you all. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe and like and share. We love it all. Thank you. Out.